Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a shopping spree at the Dollar Tree. And so today we're going to be finding Dollar Tree's hidden gems. Well, come along with me and I'm going to go ahead and be doing a giveaway in this video. The rules will be in the description box below, and let's get started. It's snowing outside too, so let's go. They have a lot of cute decorations, huh? Super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute if you wanted to do like a white aesthetic Christmas tree. Super cute. But I'm gonna take you guys to the makeup aisle. Actually, let's just go down this aisle first. The candle and decor aisle. These are floating candles. Comes 2 in a package. Really cute for decorations and stuff. Then they have essential oils. Are these essential oils? Yeah. Lemon, eucalyptus, lavender fields. Ooh, that's cute. Chestnut clove. Oh, that's so cute. It says what? But first, coffee. Cute. It's a little coffee candle for somebody that likes coffee. These are super cute. Like a really cheap, affordable decorative piece. This one as well. I think this is so pretty for like your bathroom or something like that. They also have these little ice cream soy candles. Cute. Oh, they have this super cute candle. Inhale, exhale. So pretty. This is super cute. It says coconut mango and it comes in a little mason jar. For sure taking this. Coconut mango. Here's another steal. This says congratulations, soon to be Mrs. And it's 3 candies. 3 candles. Oh, that's super cute. Such a cute gift idea. So pretty. They're little tiny. They look like Bath and Body Works candles. This one is orchid and black currant. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Roasted marshmallow. Oh look, this is like a gelato type of ice cream. That smells so good. They have so many good things. Look at this one. Cookies and cream. For somebody, it's a cute idea for somebody that likes gelato ice cream. What I'm looking for is a... Oh, these are really cute too. Like Zen, white ginger, and amber. So I think I'll just get one of these. I'm gonna get the roasted marshmallow. Roasted marshmallow and a coconut mango for you guys. They have so many cute decorative pieces. Look at that. No rain, no flowers. Super cute. This girl can slay. A bunch of these little like jewelry trays. Okay, so let's look. I didn't know Dermasil made sanitizer. So they have some little bar soaps. You can find some good quality soap. So they have Caress and they have Dove. Definitely taking those. Ooh. Okay, so we found some masks, so for sure have to get these. We hit the jackpot. So let me put them where I can show you. So they have a blueberry facial with green tea. Then they have a banana with vitamin E, a geranium with radish root, a lotus flower with ginseng oil, and then a sunflower facial mask with rose hip oil. Ooh, there's another one. And then we have a rose petal facial mask. We got lucky. All $1 a piece. So I'm gonna get all of those, and I'm gonna get 2 more for the giveaway. Right, then I see the Jelly Facial Cleanser Banana Blast. It's a good brand I hear, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Then I'm gonna try this out. This is the Jelly Eye Cream Banana Blast. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, and I'm gonna get you guys. So I'm gonna try out the banana cleanser, let you guys know how it is. But I'm gonna get you guys an eye cream because they ran out of the cleansers. So we'll just put that in the giveaway. Then they also have this Jelly Nutrient Mist, fresh avocado and calming refreshing formula. It has glitter in it, so I'm not sure about that. Gonna go ahead and skip on that. Ooh, yes. So this is a Freeman Beauty Infusion Revitalizing Peel Off Mask. For sure gonna try this, and I'm also gonna get one for you guys. I feel like I'm finding a lot of good things. This is Personal Care Shave Gel. I don't know if I should try that. They do have these shower fizzers, but I'm gonna pass on those for today. So they do have facial toner. This is the cucumber. Then they do have bath bombs, so that's pretty cool. There's 3 in a pack for $1, so that's a good steal. Okay, and here I find BB cream, guys. Sassy and Chic. I think that's a pretty good makeup brand from the things that I've tried from them. Ooh, they do have the Jelly Facial Cleanser and Superberry. I'll go ahead and put that in the giveaway for you guys. Ooh, then I see some polish. Super pretty colors. This really pretty hot pink. And it's a 2-pack, so they're 50 cents for 2, so that's really cool. But I'm going to go ahead and skip on that for now. Ooh, what is this? Purifying in Shower Mask? What is that? Sea kelp probiotics instantly boosts clarity, renew skin. In Shower Mask, I don't get it. Oh, just like a cream? We're going to go ahead and get one of these. We're going to try it out. I have no idea what that is. Then they do have the Hydrating Facial Gel Hydrator. So is this Facial Gel Hydrator? Is it a mask or this is a Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleaning Clay Mask. Guys, they have these, so you really have to pick these up if you see them at your Dollar Tree. There's 2 in a pack for $1, and that's a steal because they're about $1 something at Walmart. So we're gonna go ahead and get one for me and one for you guys. So one for the giveaway. And then there's more masks, guys. So this one I haven't tried. So these are the Beauty Infusion. We're gonna try this one. And then they have the Hydrating Honey. And then, ooh, these look super cool. This is the Global Beauty Care Cucumber. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these. So yeah, I'm a sucker for sheet masks, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take all of these. So guys, I do want to start painting my nails again, and they have so many beautiful colors right now. This is Julie. Isn't this that YouTube girl? Such a steal. So they have that one. They have this green glitter and nude. They have this red glitter and pink. There's yellow and blue. We're in fall right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and take these more fallish colors. So we'll go ahead and take these. They have these exfoliating bath cloths, which are really good for your body. They also have these shower gels that look just like Bath & Body Works. Wonder if they're good. But since I don't really like jasmine and orange, I'm going to go ahead and pass and wait till they have a different scent. They have had these. I feel like nobody buys them. Age Defy Dark Circles. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and... I think I'm going to get one of these just because I've been trying to take care of my skin. So we'll go ahead and try this. They have 2-pack brushes. They have eyelash curlers. That's really cool. I bet you these are pretty good. They have the really pretty mint green. Oh, you know what? Instead of this one, because I have tried this before, I wasn't surprised with the serum. I'm going to go ahead and get this. This is the under eye massager. And then I'll go ahead and use the eye cream that I bought. So I'm going to get one of these for me and one for the giveaway. Kiss nail polishes. This is like a gel. It's a really pretty white color. And how I am trying to paint my nails more often, I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. It's a nail polish remover. They do have a few different shades. So this is what I was looking for. A different color. So they have these Biore For Your Pores Charcoal Micellar Water. Pretty cool for only $1, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up one of these. And there is a certain LA Color blush that I'm looking for, but I don't see her here. It's like a peachy tone, so we're gonna skip that. Honestly, guys, if you find these trio from LA Colors, they're really good. Like, these look like amazing, what do you call it? What am I trying to say? Crease colors. There you go. If you guys want another all Dollar Tree makeup video, let me know. So this is a new makeup line that they're carrying here. I'm interested to try. Let me know if you want me to, and I'll come back and pick up a few things. Lipsticks, lip glosses, bronzer, And then they have single eyeshadow. So if you guys want a makeup tutorial using all Dollar Tree products, let me know. That would be pretty as a blush also. I don't know why the shade's Deep Plum, because that doesn't look like Deep Plum, but let me know, guys. Alright, we're gonna move on to the hair accessories and then be done. They have so much cute stuff. Their hair ties are really good. This is where I buy them. They have a bunch of scrunchies. This is the actual scrunchie brand, and so that's like really good. What cute ones, huh? Then they have these spiral hair thingies, which are cool. Oh, what I do need is a headband when I'm doing my makeup. That for sure. I always get my bobby pins here because you lose them anyway. They have these are really cute, but not much of my style, not yet. It's not summer. These are super cute little fuzzy hair clips. I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these for you guys, even though it's not my style. These are a must if you do hair masks. You can for sure put these in your shower, and yeah. This is super cute. I feel like there's one missing, but that's cute. They have super cute little bags, the good stuff. Hey, good looking. Selfie Prep Kit. Which one should I get for them? This one's really pretty and it has rose gold. So we're gonna go ahead and give that in the giveaway. I was looking for a cloth one. Yeah, like one like this. So they have some down here. Something like this. I don't know if I even want one like this. Or for when I do my skincare. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this pink one. These are really nice. They have really good tease brushes. It's nice. Trying not to mess up my hair though right now. Ooh, then they have these microfiber hair wraps. Dries your hair. These look pretty good. Ooh, they have these. These are microfiber facial pads. Really cool to remove makeup. So since they don't have a huge basket collection, I was gonna go through that with you guys, but if you want a separate video, I will be doing like organizing type of video, so let me know if you guys want another Dollar Tree shopping video. They do carry good products, like they have Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo, and then they have Pantene Sulfate Free Shampoo, so that's really cool. And then they do offer like some gels and stuff like that as well. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for shopping with me. I'm gonna go ahead and go because my camera's dying, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.